That's your mask. You can make in less than 2 minutes. You're done. These are the 4 items that I need to complete the mask. I'm gonna show you how I put them together without using a sewing machine. This is very simple. You can do it in less than 5 minutes. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying safe and calm during this pandemic. Today I'm going to show you how to make your mask without a sewing machine at a very low price. I would say not even $1 cost you for this. So let's get started. First thing, you get a bandana like this or any handkerchief that is quite long enough so you could fold it on each side. So I want to fold it here like halfway like this, so it's folded. And then you need to have these 2 rubber bands that you use to tie your hair, so you could kind of slip it inside the bandana just like this. If you can get a filter in Home Depot or Amazon, any type of filter that is like this, at least it will give you some extra protection. Sometimes I also put paper towel on top. So here it goes. So in case I sneeze out there, I could bring folded paper towels with me. That way I will keep my bandana clean all day long. So in case I am out and I started sneezing, I could just pull the paper towel over here, take it out, throw it away, and put a new one. Paper towel is not a bad idea. And then for this one, this holds the rubber band together like so, like this. So this goes in the back of your head so that the loop of the elastic band doesn't irritate or not even touching your skin in the back of your ear. This is a very good idea, a great creation by my little brother. So he's making a lot of this at home and he's selling them. So he's always an innovative person, and he likes to, I don't know, he's a nurse, but yet he's also a photographer, and whatever, he always likes to create something, and this is one of them. So if you like to order, comment down below. I will connect you to my brother so he could sell you this little cardboard paper holder of your mask. It's really quite interesting. Sometimes if you are out there and you wear your mask all day long and it's kind of pulling in your ear, if you have sensitive ears, it's not very good. It irritates it. And so I think that's how my brother decided to make one of these. Very nice. So now I'm gonna try to slip it over my head, and so this is how it will look like. There you go. How cool is that? You see how it's not in the back here, it's not touching my ears, and over here too, and in the back. Wow, so nice. Do you like it? So there it is. That's your mask. You can make in less than 2 minutes. You're done. I hope you like it. So this is where I inserted the filter. There it is, your bandana mask. So that is it for my short video today. I hope you learned something from me, and I hope you continue watching. Have a good day. Have a great life wherever you are. Stay safe and calm. I love you.